Hi, Majana. What
Hi,
are you
Kızım.
doing? Now our order is coming. Now, take the order. Oh, so good. And you need to press. Pre-order is coming. Let's try. Only a little bit. How to say this one? For me, it's a little bit wasabi. Wow. Now there have another ones coming, my denim. Prepare siya ng mga wasabi. Pero, konti lang yun sa akin kasi napakaanghang. Napakaanghang ng wasabi. That is for you? For you or for me?
This one?
Huh?
It's for you.
Ano? Only little bit for me. Ganun. Less more. Okay. Yeah, that one is enough. Okay. We're still waiting the order.
Yeah.
Now there have another ones coming. You can see. Hi, Jana. The eel is coming. Wow. All together. All together. Ito ang aming food today, but still have not yet coming. So, for now, ito muna yung aming kakainin. Waiting pa namin yung iba kasi wala pa. Okay guys, see you! So, ito ang aming food for today. Sushi muna kami kasi na-miss ko yung sushi. Self-service ito. Ito yung aming orderan. Yan, tingnan nyo guys. Ayan lang ang gusto ng asawa ko, yung ginger. Ayan lang yung gusto niya sa sushi. Oh. Naubos niya na yung isang... Ayan lang yung binabayaran namin, oh, yung ginger. Yung isang container na maliit, ubos na. Kami lang ang kumain. Ayan, yan lang kasi ang gusto niya. Oh, diba? Ito na yung aming kinainan dito sa sushi. Ayan. 260.7. Ayan, marami din yung nakain namin kung ito na binayaran.